Okay, we're back. I went down to the desert. I got some things accomplished. Unfortunately, some of the video glitched. So what you saw was my spooky blacklight art rendition of Cutting Little Jewel. That's all we got. Progress was made. Also, I came back because we got a shipment waiting at the house. We got some tires for the Mercury. We had a little glitch with one of the rims. This one, this rim here, the green one, looks like the other three. So we had one cent here that was 4.5 inches wide. So that matches two of them. So we have a matching set of 16 by 4.5 wheels. This one is 16 by 5.25. So we're still in the same boat we were, just on the other side of the beach. If anybody has a rim like this, early Ford, with the little dimples for the inner hubcap, that's 16 by 5.25, or I was calling the other one 4.5. It looks like it's more like 4.25 on the inside. So this one at the base of the rim is 5 inches. Right at the very inside. And then the other ones are an inch narrower. So I'd like to thank Bill for sending the wheel. It works perfect. We're still in the same conundrum. These are 195, 75, 16 radials. And I'm going to put the porta wall on it. I'm going to put the 3-inch fake white wall. It'll give a good ride. Stock rims, stock hubcaps, big white walls. And they're like $55 each. So forget all that business with a $250 white wall radial. Not going to do it. Got some stuff from Speedway also. And the early Ford store. For the rear, I decided... gonna go with coil springs, radius rods, and a panhard rod. Very simple, again, very affordable. I was looking at the 4 links. No, I don't want to get carried away on this. So Speedway has this whole kit. You got the brackets. You got the springs. We got the things, the that, the this, the that. Coil spring purchase. These are the springs. And I believe there'll be radius rods in here. It's a crazy thing about the mail order stuff. Boxes on top, everything comes in boxes. So yeah, exactly what I've seen. All the other projects I've used. So front to rear, you know, the axle will be back here. That'll be for the hoo-ha, and then, you know, for the side to side, there's a panhard rod in the kit also on coil springs. So I'm going to do the rear first because that is what's going to determine the ride height, right? I noticed that there's a bunch of different choices for the front spring, either stock up or up to 3 inches lowered. So everybody likes a lowered car, right? Somebody mentioned that we should just see the edge of the white wall in the fender opening, and I agree. So I'm going to come back, not tomorrow, but the next day, and we're going to put this rear end together. Let's see what the early Ford store sent us. Speedway Motors is a monster in the catalog and shipping world. So Speedway Motors got here like in a day and a half. And then this other order came in like almost 2 weeks, so. Oh, looks like they gave us, unless I ordered wrong, they gave us 2 of those rubber things for the wishbone. And then couple shackles for the springs, original style. I didn't want to get the hot rod style with the nylon, so I figured these are greasable and they'll last a lot longer, especially with a big heavy engine in the front of this. So yeah, short and sweet. We got 4 tires, 3 rims, a rear suspension kit, and part of front suspension. So trying to do it a little bit wiser than just ordering a million things. So yeah, see you then. I'm gonna do some cleaning under the car and some looking, and then we are right back into the Merc project.